Made it to Chestermere Lake. Just put some stuff out on the ice now. Just gonna go grab a few more things from the truck, but pretty nice big lake. Got a couple guys out there. At least 3 tents out there. Just see someone else come off the ice. Pretty clear. It's been windy. Look, loads of tire tracks and quads and stuff out. So nice clear ice. It's like 1 fucking degree today. It warmed up loads. All right. Get the camera out back in a bit. And get the axe through. So let's find out how deep it is, and think and get the tip up set up. So I'll probably catch you when we're there. Alright, we're all set up on this tip up here. Got my smelt on there on a jig head. Time to maybe look for another hole. Let this one fish for me. I'm pretty sure this is too shallow here, so I'm gonna go that way about 20 or 30 feet, probably in line with the other guys. Hopefully I'll have a bit more luck, but at least I've got one in. Give me a better chance. Okay, I just moved back a bit in search of some deeper ice. My stuff just over there. Kind of in line with a lot more people. Found a pre-drilled hole here and here, so let's have a look. See how deep roughly it is to the bottom. And I think I could be fishing here for a bit. I got a bite already. I haven't even got my fucking tripod, so let's see what happens. Yes! Guys. Here we fucking go. Alright, let's get this guy back in the hole. Fuck yeah. Alright, tip up, set up. I'm gonna bring you over actually. The tip up, set up. About 10 foot away from the hole I just caught a pike in. So yeah, moved over, not so shallow. And then got this guy back in. Got a nice big spoon on there, and this time I got a little bit of smelt on. Last time I just put the spoon in, so might play around with some baits, but this one I think I'll just jig, head, and a bit of a smelt on there. It looks pretty cloudy, but the sun's out. Some people ragging around on a razor. People out there making holes. Right. Give this a try. I got a little nice heavy met spinner on there. Minnow on the end. Might be a bit too much, but the G-code weren't doing anything, and it's going to be here for probably about another 20 minutes, half an hour, so give this guy a go. Just had this guy pull his camper on the ice on a quad. Being from England and only just started fishing and ice fishing now, it's pretty different to see that. Fucking cool though, definitely thick enough ice here for it, that's for sure. Pretty cool little setup. Be nice, wouldn't it? Alright guys, just getting on with the day now. It's just gone 3-ish. Got an hour and a half to head back to the mountains. Not getting any more bites, but fuck yeah, first success ice fishing and first pike. So stoked with that. Where do you reckon I should go next? Might go back to Spray, take a little bit more different bait with me, and see if I can get lucky there. So thanks for watching.